Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, where science is all about trying to learn various concepts of data science by practicing a lot of questions. In this video, we are going to solve this question on Leetcode regarding top percentile fraud. The difficulty level of this question is medium, and I'm going to share the SQL schema as well as the Panda schema in the description box below. Okay. The question reads, we are given a table called fraud with three different columns, policy ID, state and fraud score. Policy ID is the column of unique values for this table. This table contains policy ID, state and fraud score. The Leetcode Insurance Corporation has developed an ML-driven predictive model to detect the likelihood of fraudulent claims. Consequently, they allocate their most seasoned claim adjusters to address the top 5% of claim flags by this model. Okay. We are asked to write a solution to find the top 5 percentile of claims from each state, return the result table ordered by state in ascending order, fraud score in descending order, and policy ID in ascending order. Okay, let's go through this example. So here we have various policy IDs, their states and fraud scores. So if we look at for California, right? So for California, the highest score is 0.92 for policy ID 1, then 0.68 and 0.17. So if you do a percentile rank of the state of California, you are going to get that this is assigned rank 0, this is assigned rank 0 0.5 and this is assigned rank 1. And if you do keep only those rows where the rank is less than equal to 0.05, it is going to keep only policy ID 1 for California, and that is what you have in your output. Similarly, you can do that for other states as well. What does percentile rank do actually? Percentile rank is basically trying to rank the values in a particular state relative to others. So 0.92 relative to others is the highest score. Let me do this and it will make more sense. So from this table this is called fraud table, let me go ahead and keep all the columns, and then let's use the percentile rank. So it is called percent rank, and then we need this for every state, right? So partition by the state, and we want the highest score to be in the top. So order by fraud score in decreasing manner, and let's alias this as rank. Let me go ahead and run this and let me explain what is actually happening. Okay, so if we look at this, right, so here what we have is this is assigned rank 0, this is assigned rank 0.5 and this is assigned rank 1. What does this mean actually? So here when it says 0, that means that it is in the top 100 percentile. So just think about this. When we say the score is 100 percentile, that means that you have scored more than everyone in the examination. So similarly here when we say rank is equal to 0, because this is the highest, that means there is no one above you. That is, rank equal to 0 means that you have 100 percentile marks. Why? Because we are ordering by fraud score in decreasing manner, right? So you are 100 percentile, right? Is no one is above than you, and you can see that, right? 0.92 is the highest score. Now this is 0.5. Why? Because one person has scored above than you and 1% below than you, right? So you have scored more than only 50% of the people, right? So that is why it is 0.5, and here it is 1. That means you are 0th percentile. You have scored more than no one, right? So that is why these ranks are being assigned, right? So you see these scores are being assigned relative ranks, and that is what percentile rank does. Similarly here, if you look at, right, so for Florida, 0.98, 0.97, 0.88, 0.78 and 0.66. Again, 0.98 is the highest, so rank is 0, that is you are the 100 percentile. 0.97, one person has scored more than you and 3% have scored less than you, right? So 3 out of 4, that is 0.75, that is you are in the top 75 percentile. That is why you are getting a rank of 0.25, right? So you have 100 minus the stuff, right? So that is how these ranks are being calculated. I think this should be clear. Now we need from this is that, okay, let's save this entire thing in a common table expression. So with CTE as this entire thing goes into parentheses, and now what we are doing is from this common table expression we need only the top 5 percentile, right? So this is rank 0 means 100th percentile, so keep only those rows where rank is less than equal to 0.05. That means you are 95th percentile. That again means that you are in the top 5 percentile. I know this is confusing, but when we say top 5, what it means is this is same as saying your score is 95 percentile. Why? Because you have scored more than 95% of the people. That means you are in the top 5%. So you see how this is related. So that is why we are doing rank is less than equal to 0.05, and then we need to keep only certain columns. So return me the policy ID, return me the state column, and then you also return me the fraud score. But now you also need to order this by the state in ascending order, then fraud score in descending manner, and then finally by the policy ID in ascending manner. Okay, let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. So if you look at this, this is accepted. Our output is exactly same as expected output. Let me go ahead and submit to pass all the test cases. So this is accepted, and this is how to do it. So difficult question, what we had to basically do was, firstly we did a percentile rank of every state ordered by fraud score in decreasing manner, because we want the top 5 percentile fraud claims. And then once we had that, we kept only those rows where rank is less than equal to 0.05. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there's a better, more efficient solution to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.